Ito naman, parang nude brown. Ay, hindi. Parang taupe brown. Nude brown. Hindi ko alam kung anong color ito. Mud color. Mud brown. Ayan. Mud brown yung color. And so, tatlo yung nail polish na to. Mud brown, baby pink, and white. So, ayan. Medyo nagulat lang ako kasi maliit lang siya. Hindi ako nag-pay attention sa, quantity ng, ml. Ayan. And meron pang dalawa dito. So, let's check. This one is the Nail Prep Dehydrator. Ayan. Kailangan po yan kapag nag-nail extension po tayo, guys. And ito, yung 4-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. Ayan. So, ito yung pandikit para sa nail tips, guys. Ayan. Dehydrator and nail tips glue. Ayan. Nail glue. Alright.